Looking at?
We are looking at, okay, I do.
Come on, tell them about
a waterfall. Well,
Tell them how cool it is.
it's really cool.
Now look here. Here's where the top of it is. How neat is this? Look. We started the trail up there and it's pretty steep. We're down here. What do you think of it so far?
It's really steep, but guys, you can come to Ohio with us and see this. Like, this is so cool right now, and we're literally gonna go down to there.
Yes, we are.
It's gonna be so cool, and you can watch us. And if you want to come to Ohio to the state park, you can.
That's right. Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right. Right down all this steepness.
Yeah. We're literally filming this in live right now. Whoa.
Okay. Now be careful of the thing sticking up right there, so you don't trip over it. And look, here we are.
Hi guys.
Hey there.
Hi.
Look at the waterfall. Here, check that out. There's the waterfall right there.
So you can get a better view of it. Here, look.
All right, you want to go over there?
Yeah.
All right, let's step over here.
Here, let's switch.
All right, thank you.
That is a perfect view right over there.
And look at the water. Look at that deep hole right there.
Yeah, it's quite slippery.
Yeah. And look at that fall. Wow. Ain't that neat? I can feel the water coming off of it, can't
I
you?
know. I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay, just make sure you stand still. Wow, what a view.
Do you want me to get a picture of you guys?
That would be nice.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
And is it cold?
Yeah, it's cool.
All right. There's the waterfall. There's the bridge where I've taken some video up there. And look how fast this water is running. I mean, that's white water.
Wow.
Man, that is wild.
Yeah.
Very cool. We like it. Alright, so now we're on the opposite side of the falls, the overlook, and that's those. And just look at these beautiful flowers right down here in the shade. But that waterfall is magnificent. Yeah, let's go do a trail. Yeah, look at that. Ooh.
That's cool.
And she goes on, she's careful among the rocks and the roots. Look at her. She's so skilled in her hiking. She is very experienced and knows what she is doing. All right, we will continue the hike and show you the next interesting spot. Alright, so here we are at Clifton Mills. You see the building, the waterfalls, the river running down below us. We're inside the covered bridge. Hopefully this audio sounds pretty good. But isn't that pretty awesome? I think it is. Kind of got fuzz and stuff all over it. You see these higher views. This is the inside of the covered bridge.
Grandpa,
We got some strange women in here.
Yeah, you gotta see this. Grandpa, if you don't see this, you might cry.
Oh no, I don't want to cry.
Come on, you have to see this.
This is so beautiful. I cried.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It took me 9 seconds.
Wow, that's quick. Congratulations.
Well, thank you, kind sir.